Today, we'll be covering how to create a bootable USB drive for Kali Linux. Welcome to the Ultra Blue channel, where we provide detailed guides and tutorials to help you master technology. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Your support helps us to create more valuable content such as this. So first, let's gather the necessary materials we'll need. You first of all need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Second, a Kali Linux iOS file, which you can download from the official Kali Linux website. Thirdly, a tool to create the bootable USB. We recommend using Rufus. To download Rufus, open your web browser and just type in Rufus on Google. Open the first link and scroll down and download any of the standard version. So I'm going to download the first one. I'll go ahead and save it, and then it's downloaded. Once the download is complete, locate the file and double click on it to run it. Rufus does not require installation, so it will open directly. Now that you are done, insert your USB drive into any available USB port on your computer. Make sure there are no important files on your USB drive, as creating a bootable USB would erase all data on it. Now open Rufus once again. You'd see a selection labeled device. So click here and select your USB drive. Make sure your USB drive is selected in the drop-down menu. If your USB drive does not appear, ensure it is properly connected and try restarting Rufus. Now select the Kali Linux iOS file you downloaded. In Rufus, I'm going to leave this in Disk or iOS. Then I'll then come and click on select, and then I'll go to the exact location I have my Kali Linux image. I think I have it in, I have it here. Then I'll click on it and open. Rufus will automatically configure the appropriate settings based on the iOS file you selected. But let's configure the partition scheme and file system. Ensure your partition scheme is at GPT if you are installing Kali Linux on a UEFI system, or MBR if you are installing it on a legacy BIOS. The file should be set to FAT32 bits. It's by default. Most modern systems use UEFI, so GPT is usually the correct choice. So I'm going to leave it at GPT. If you are unsure about which one to select, refer to your motherboard or computer's documentation. Once everything is set, click the start button and then click OK. A warning sign will appear informing you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Confirm that you want to proceed by clicking OK. Now Rufus will now begin creating the bootable USB drive. This process can take several minutes, so you have to be very patient. To use your bootable USB drive, restart your computer and enter the boot menu. The key to access the boot menu varies by manufacturer, but it's often F12, F10, Escape, or the delete key. Select your USB drive from the list of bootable devices and press enter. Your computer will now boot from the USB drive, and you can proceed with installing. By following these steps, you can easily create a bootable USB drive for Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to the Ultra Blue channel for more tutorials and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Your support helps us to create more high quality content such as these. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.